Friends, have you ever looked up at the night sky, seeing countless stars, and wondered, is there a map of the universe that shows us where all the stars, planets, and galaxies are located? A map that could help us understand how this massive universe is organized, and where exactly we are in this vast, ever-expanding cosmos. What if we had a map that allowed us to travel to any star, showing us the path, just like we use a map to navigate through a city? Sounds impossible, right? But imagine this. If we had the most advanced quantum computer at our disposal, could we map every star, planet, and galaxy in the universe? Can we track their positions and movements, even predict where they'll be in the future? Wow. Well, friends, it's not just a dream. In fact, scientists have created some mind-blowing maps of our universe. These maps might help us unlock the mysteries of space in ways we never thought possible. And who knows, they might even reveal the existence of parallel universes. Yes, you heard that right, parallel universes. Now, to understand why a universe map is so different from the ones we use on Earth, let me take you on a little thought journey. Imagine you need to travel from Jaipur to Delhi. Wait, both cities are moving, floating on water, constantly changing positions. What would you do? You need to know where Delhi will be in the future, right? In such a scenario, static maps would be useless. Similarly, our universe is dynamic. It's not static. Everything is in motion, constantly shifting, expanding, and evolving. This is why we can't use a regular map. Instead, we need a dynamic map of the universe, one that adjusts with the changes, tracking the movement of galaxies, stars, and everything in between. Now, let's dive deeper into this dynamic universe and explore the first amazing map made by scientists. The first map we'll explore tells us where we are in this infinite universe. Welcome to the Laniakea Supercluster, the cosmic neighborhood where our galaxy resides. And within this vast supercluster, there are about 100,000 galaxies. Yes, 100,000. Can you even begin to imagine the scale of it? We aren't just a tiny speck in this massive cluster of stars and galaxies, and there are billions of such clusters in the universe. But there's more. Scientists have made a map showing the position and movement of over 8,000 neighboring galaxies. And guess what they found? They discovered something that shook the very foundations of science. The mystery of the Great Attractor. This is a point in space where the flow of most galaxies is directed. But what is there at that point? What is so powerful that it is pulling entire galaxies toward it? This mystery has kept scientists on their toes for the last 30 years, and we still don't know what it is. Incredible, right? Something is out there, pulling everything toward it, but we have no idea what it is. Now, let's take a closer look at the Gaia Probe map, a beautiful map that shows over 300,000 stars around our sun. This is not just any map. It's a 3D map that lets us fly through space, visualizing stars as they really are, with their exact positions, temperatures, and directions of motion. Just imagine being able to zoom into stars and clusters, to witness their movements. Some stars even orbit each other as binary stars. And did you know that we are moving toward a star cluster called Hyde Axis? Amazing, right? We can even see the direction of motion of other clusters, like Coma Berenices. But wait, as we zoom out from this map, we realize just how small this region is compared to our entire galaxy. Our Milky Way alone contains 200 billion stars, and it would take a lifetime to map all of them. But guess what? Scientists have done something even bigger. They've made a map of the entire universe. This map was created by the Sloan Digital Sky Survey, and it shows a slice of the universe with 200,000 galaxies positioned according to their actual locations. The galaxies are connected like a web, revealing how the universe is cosmically interconnected. And as we look at this map, something incredible becomes clear. The universe is expanding. You can see this by the way galaxies' light shifts toward the red. This redshift shows that the galaxies are moving away from us, a direct result of the universe expansion. But here's where it gets even more fascinating. When we look back in time, we see the universe as it was 8 to 9 billion years ago, and most of the galaxies were blue. Can you believe that? But as we travel further back, we start seeing a dominance of red. As galaxies move further away from us, the universe was much younger then, filled with quasars and supermassive black holes, and the energy they radiated was unlike anything we can imagine. Now, hold on, this is where things get mysterious. As we go beyond 9 billion years ago, we hit a wall. There's nothing we can see, it's like a time barrier. What happened? But this is where the James Webb Telescope will come into play, helping us uncover the mysteries of the dark age of the universe, when it was cloaked in darkness, because of hydrogen gas absorbing all the light. And finally, the oldest map we have is the one made by the WMAP satellite. This map shows the universe as it was just 380,000 years after the Big Bang. The map shows that the matter in the universe was almost evenly spread out at that time, suggesting the universe expanded at unimaginable speeds. But wait, there's more. The map shows some cold spots in the southern hemisphere, and some scientists believe these cold spots could be evidence of a parallel universe, possibly interacting with ours in some way. Could that be true? If so, this would be the proof we've been searching for. Can you even fathom it? So, friends, what do you think? Is there really evidence of a parallel universe hidden in the oldest map of our cosmos? Could this be a glimpse of a multiverse? How do you think this universe works? And how would you feel if we uncover these mysteries with the help of future technology? Tell me your thoughts. I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, keep roaming in the universe, my friends.